Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tanzil Mirza. Today I have a special question for you, and so it's not going to be a demo of any specific language or any specific feature today. It's a question for you. Okay, let me give you a quick history behind this. In 2018, when I was a college student, I was giving interviews like you during the campus selection drive. So today's question is based upon that only. Today's question was asked in the very first round of IBM for the role of software development engineer intern, and the question was, what is a smart pointer in C++? I repeat, the question was, what is a smart pointer in C++? Thankfully, I was able to answer and I was prepared. Though I didn't get the job, that's a different story. But yes, today I thought since it's one of the most core concepts of C++, I should share the answer with you also. So my answer was, a smart pointer is a wrapper class for a pointer to maintain its life and to prevent memory and resources leaks in the program. And there are three types of pointers, three types of smart pointers. Actually, there are four types of smart pointers, but the fourth one, that is the auto pointer, is no longer in use. It's been removed completely from C++. I think it was C++ version 11 or 12. I don't remember exactly, but it's removed from there. And in C++ 17, it's absolutely missing. It's not even there. So there's no point in discussing that. So right now we have three types of smart pointers: unique, shared, and weak. Today I'll show you the minimal class code of shared pointer, and to cover these three types of pointers, I'll upload separate individual videos, because let's not put everything in one video and confuse ourselves. So let's start with the class. I'll start coding now. I'll open VS Code, and here I'm going to create one more class. The class name I'll give as, let's say, smart class.cpp with the extension. Okay, let's start the coding now. First thing first, include IO stream class, let's say smart class, and then in the public section I'll declare few variables. First thing is the constructor I want to define here, smart class, and let's take integer pointer as an example for the sake of simplicity, and also I'll just assign it a null pointer. And guys, my coding style may be different from yours, but the concept remains the same. Okay, and here I'll take one more pointer and I'll assign this value p there. Okay, and why this data is complaining? Because I haven't declared it yet. It will be of type, and just to hide it from rest of the class, just to prevent inheritance of this pointer, for safety reason I have declared it in the private section. Okay, so this being done, constructor has been created. Let me just add a comment here. No, this is the constructor, and now we'll create one destructor. Okay, and in the destructor I would like to delete this data. Let me put one comment also. I'll say destructor semicolon, and then I would like to do the operator overloading also. Okay, I'll do it for operator. I'll do it for the pointer asterisk. What happened? This formatting thing is messed up. Okay, give a space here. Here we'll just return pointer data. Okay, now I'll go to the, now we'll create the main class, int main, return 0. Okay, now here we'll write the code. first thing first, let's declare a pointer p, and I'm going to create it for int, let's say 100. Okay, and here I'm going to create one object for that. Smart class, I'll call smart class. Smart class obj equals to smart class, and we'll just call the constructor with this value. Okay, P. What else is required? I'll do the cout. I'll just dereference this object. Okay, and add one endl. Why? Okay, how I'm able to dereference it? You can see that it's just an object. How I'm able to dereference it? It's because of this operator overloading. Okay, it will return me whatever is stored in the data, whatever is stored in this object. It will just return that. And why it is complaining for cout is I'll have to use std, and for endl also std. Okay, let me save the code. Now we'll see why the errors are there. Obviously I forgot the parenthesis. Okay, let's just review the code. Okay, the code looks good except few formatting errors, but that's okay, I think. Let it be. Okay, so first we created one constructor, we created a destructor, and then we did the operator overloading so that we can dereference this smart class object. Okay, so you must be thinking, what's the advantage of that? So the advantage of using this wrapper class here of this class is that we don't have to delete data explicitly. We don't have to delete this thing explicitly. So when the destructor is called, destructor is also called automatically when the object is destroyed. So when the destructor is called, it gets deleted automatically. Right now it may not seem to be very useful or maybe very confusing, but this becomes very handy when you have hundreds of pointers to deal with or different types of pointers to deal with. You will have to, if you do not have this a wrapper kind of thing, you will have to remember, okay, I have created these pointers and now I have to delete them. So using this wrapper class, using a smart pointer class, you don't have to do that. It's been taken care by this destructor automatically. Okay, so this becomes very useful when you have multiple types or hundreds of pointers to deal with. And also things and use cases will become more clear when we discuss these three types of smart pointers in the next upcoming videos. So be patient for now. Okay, this much done. Let's just try to run this code. G++, and the name of the class is smartclass.cpp-o, and I want to generate it as smart class. Done. So let's so what are we expecting the as an output? Okay, before that I want to add one more thing in the destructor. Let's add this statement, std cout object destroyed successfully. With this I'll just add one more handle here. Okay, and I think this is enough. Save the code. Now we'll try to run it again, and here is the output: 100, object destroyed successfully. See, we did not call anything. We did not call this data explicitly, delete data explicitly, but destructor will take care of it. So tomorrow we'll discuss about these three types of pointers also. Weak pointer, where there is a cyclic dependency. It doesn't keeps the count of the pointers. Shared pointers is a pointer which keeps the it keeps the count on the pointers also. So we'll discuss these things tomorrow, but for now I think this should be helpful. That's all for today. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much.